Hey guys, this is Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. We're going to do a real quick plot update right now. So far, everything's been planted out. We're on succession 2 and plots 1 and 3. Everything else is still on 1 being harvested out, and we're just moving right along. We've had a lot of rain this spring. Last 3 weeks it's been almost constant rain. The past week we probably had about 6 inches, but let's go for a tour. Got plot 1 with lettuce, spring mix, radishes, and soon to be radishes. Plot 2 with lettuce with cucumbers interplanted. Got peas down there at the end with tomatoes and basil. The tomatoes are struggling. More lettuce. And then we've got spinach down there at the end. I've got more tomato starts up front here to replace the tomatoes that aren't doing good. We've got onions in the box. Weeds in that box. Bunch of patty pans down here. They're just starting to go. They're struggling too because of the rain. And then out in front this year I added some strawberries. Then we got blackberry, grape, and then 2 raspberries. Now plot 3, we got all the trays hardening off outside, getting ready to plant next week. And we've got radishes, more radishes, our head lettuce, and the tom thumbs are at the end. We got more leaf lettuce, and then spring mix over here, which I'm experimenting on separating it instead of planting it all in the same row. Crop house is still going strong. Got 3 weeks worth of successions in here. All my different lettuces. And then down below, we've got our microgreens. We got radishes, which have been fighting mold with them. Our sun shoots that are just popping. Pea shoots for next week. And the pea shoots that'll get harvested out here before too awful long. I'm guessing a couple more days on those. And we got plot 4A up top here with lettuce. Got a bed that's been cropped out. Spring mix bed, which I'm getting ready to crop out. I might get another cut off of that. Spring mix bed for next week. Kind of struggling, and the radishes are cropped out this week. Down at the end we got radishes, spring mix, more leaf lettuce, toms, the large heads didn't get planted there, and then more leaf lettuce down there. The end here, when I turned it originally, there's a lot of grass in it, so it's coming up real bad, so I've been trying to do all crops that are covered down there. And here in plot 5 we've got kale with dill interplanted in it. We got our head lettuces that'll be good for next week. Down at the end there's the toms that have been somewhat cropped out. Fresh planting of head lettuce and toms that I just did this week. Got, I believe, spring mix planted under here that should be germinating right now. These toms are cropped out, they're getting ready to go. The heads down there will go here early next week. We got our lettuce again, it's been cut once. That's coming back up for a second cut. That was just cut this week. Down at the end where it's doing better was cut the previous week. And down at the very far end we got a bunch more toms. Hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank y'all. Have a good day.